Today I have some home decor crafts for all year round. Project number 1 is a convertible home piece. This wood house is either from Dollar Tree or Target. I believe it was Target. I had used it in a previous project, and now I'm going to be using the back side. I'm giving the back a coat of Waverly White chalk paint. That is Waverly ink chalk paint on top and Waverly White around the edges as well. I'm also using some of these galvanized letters from Dollar Tree. I'm only using the H, M, and E, and I'm going to give them 2 coats of Waverly black ink chalk paint. For the O, you can use any of the little wood pieces they have at Dollar Tree or embellishments that you take off of other things, whatever you have that will fit the season. First, I'm going to be using tacky glue to glue on the letters, and then I'll be using Velcro to attach each of the seasonal pieces. For the jack-o'-lantern, I am going to line the back of it with black paper so that it will look more like a jack-o'-lantern. So I'm using that tacky glue and I'm going to glue it onto the paper, trim around the paper, and then apply Velcro. I attached 1 piece to the house and 1 piece to the back of each of these seasonal wood pieces from Dollar Tree. This is perfect for small spaces because you only have to store those small pieces. Project number 2 is an interchangeable art piece using Dollar Tree calendars. This is a frame from Dollar Tree. I saw it around Mother's Day. It does have a slit in the top so that you can slide your artwork in and out. So I have measured the insert that was in the frame with the scrapbook paper for a backing. I'm folding mine in half so that I can use both sides of it, but if you used a solid color, you would only have to use 1 piece. Now I'm choosing a couple of these larger pieces on the back of the calendars. You could use the smaller pieces if you'd rather. Once I have these cut out, I am using my paper trimmer to trim around the edges so that they are nice and straight. Then I'll be using a solid color paper to make a frame around the calendar piece. Again, I'm using my paper trimmer to make a nice border around this piece. Now, a simple glue stick is all you need. Now we can glue the artwork onto the scrapbook paper. I'm going to sandwich it between the 2 pieces of glass and insert it into the frame, and that is it. You can actually store more than 1 of these pieces of paper inside the frame, so this provides a little bit of storage for different calendar pieces you'd like to use. The last project today is a customizable countdown calendar. These are wood numbers that I got from Dollar Tree, and I've got them on a piece of tape so that they won't move around while I give them a couple of coats of Waverly white chalk paint. Next, I'm using this piece from Dollar Tree and also one of these wall stickers from Dollar Tree. Once I've removed the hanger, I'm going to trace around the sign on the back of the wallpaper. Once I've traced around the edges, I am going to cut it a little bit larger than what I have traced so that I can sand off the edges for a nice finish. Now I'm going to peel away the backing and apply it to the piece. A little finger sander comes in perfectly handy for this project to sand off the excess sticker. I did reattach the original hanger, but you could add some beads to this as well. I'll be attaching these with hot glue. Also, what I did not show was the numbers that I painted earlier. I did drill a hole through the top of each one of those. I used one number and then I marked the same place on each number so that they would hang evenly. Once I have the top chalkboard in place, I am using 2 small finishing nails so that we can hang these numbers from them. Off camera, I did use my Silhouette Cameo to cut out the words "Days Until" to place on the sign. Now I'm priming the chalkboard that came from Dollar General just so that we can write on there with chalk and it will erase easily. This is the perfect little sign to count down to any holiday, but certainly not just holidays, any special days of the year. Maybe it's until your birthday, maybe it's until the first day of school, or summer break, or Christmas break, anything that you're looking forward to. Thanks for watching. If you've seen anything you like today, I love a good thumbs up. Remember, share the chic.